Hey, what's up guys? Just starting my first YouTube video. Hopefully this works out. Gonna be working on a 77 Chev C10 today. Try to fix the lock in it. That ended up falling out, so I'm hoping the pieces are inside the door. Anyways, I'll bring the truck in and get at it. Alright, now we got the truck in here. I'll give you a little look around. It's pretty rough shape, but going to school right now for body work, so should be able to get it fixed up pretty decent. Got my phone camera, so the video might not be the greatest quality, but we'll see what happens. So I gotta fix the lock. Fell out, so then it keeps locking on itself. Good thing it fell out in the driveway. I got the lock mechanism itself, but I don't know if the clip to hold it in is in the door or not, so get ready and start taking the door apart. So for anybody that has a truck that hasn't been touched too much, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, should be Phillips screws, but this truck only has Robertsons and there looks to be only 2 of them in there, so we'll get them out and hopefully get the door panel off. Alright, for the next step, use one of these pick tools to be able to reach behind this window handle and grab that clip back there, pop that out. You can get it. Whoa, there it goes flying, of course. To be able to get that off, I'll show you how that goes on to be able to put it back on your door. And then you have to unthread the lock out. This one's pretty wore out, and not only that, the lock fell out, so it's just flopping around. Hopefully I'll be able to get that fixed today. Then, be sure you just pull the bottom out. Somebody might have glued it. Alright, I think those 2 screws there to hold the door handle, which aren't the right ones in this truck, need to come out. So I'll get those out now. Oh, there's a screw behind that handle too. It's a Robertson, which I don't believe is original for the truck. we go. Now we can hopefully look for the parts in the bottom of the door. Oh, look at that. Found the clip I need. Now we got to get the door lock in and get that hooked on and make sure it works again. Alright, so I got the door lock lined up, if you can see it in there. Yeah, right there where the end of my finger is, kind of hard to see. Once you get it lined up in there, then you got to be able to put the clip on. But what I did was, when it was out, is just feed this in and line it up into that slot. And then get your lock in there and turn it to where it needs to go. Then you got to take this clip that fell out and slide it in this way. I'll try to get it on camera if I can. We'll see what happens. Alright, so I couldn't get it with the camera very well. So all you do is take that and slide it over, and there's two tabs, one on the top and one on the bottom, that it hooks behind. It's kind of hard to see, but if I wiggle the lock from the outside, you can see it's getting pretty wore out, so I might have to buy a new one here soon. Get one for the passenger and the driver's side, so then I have the same key instead of a bunch of keys. Alright, so next I'm gonna probably just lube everything up and get the door panel back on for now, and I'll show you how to put that hook back on the window winder and get it all back together. So I got some fluid film here. I'm gonna do the window tracks, one there, one down there, and then you got to bring the window down just a little bit to get at them ones. Bring it down a little bit more, and you can get that one, and it should be able to get that one there. And then I'll be ready to put the door panel back on. Getting the door panel off, I recommend just putting the window down, it gets it out of the way. And now I'll show you how the clip for this works. So for putting the clip back on your window winder, I always put it this way. Clip it in this way, and then it's just easier to pull out than it is to have it on the handle side, because sometimes it's hard to get your pick tool in behind the handle itself. So once you get that in, then you just pop it right back onto the door handle. Once it's clipped in, then you can pop it back on whichever way you want. You just slide it in there and push on it until it clips on, and then it won't fall back off. But I got to put the door panel back on first, so I'm going to do that now. that's in place. And you can take your window winder and whichever way you want it on there. I don't think it has a master spline, so you can just put it on whatever way you want. I'm going to put it on so it's facing down. And then just push on. Oh. There. It's pretty loose because, well, it's old, so wore out. And you can see the door panel somebody has painted before, so I'm going to get them repainted. Hopefully in the near future, making video for that. Anyways, I'm going to get the screws back on and I'll be all done. Screw the door lock back on and we're all done. Seems to work good. We'll try it out now. Now that I got it all back together, it probably won't work. But seems to work like it did. A little wore out, so when you put it in the middle it locks itself, but it unlocks. Hopefully that was a bit of help. Now that'll be it for today. I'm going to be putting another seat in there. I got leather bucket seats to go in. Hopefully get that other one put in soon, maybe today. But for this video, that'll be it. See you next time. Hopefully this was some help. And if it's any good, give it a thumbs up. If it's not, thumbs down. I want to see some more videos of this. And I got a 99 CRV that I'm going to be doing some stuff to, hopefully in the near future. And my father just bought a 55 Oldsmobile Rocket 88. If you guys are interested in any of that, some maintenance and stuff to get it ready for the summer, let me know in the comments, and see you next time.